Hello everyone, I am Shamim Hossain from Bangladesh. In this video, I will be demonstrating the functionality of my CS50 web project. I have implemented all the required features from the project's specification. Let's dive right in. First, let's explore the entry page. When I visit wiki title, where title is the title of an encyclopedia entry, my application renders the content of the entry page. Here I am accessing the Python entry and you can see its content displayed. Now, if I try to access a non-existing entry such as wiki non-exist, the application presents an error, indicating that the request page was not found. Next, let's look at the index page. Instead of just listing entry names, I have updated index.html. Now you can click on any entry name to be taken directly to that entry page. Let's click on HTML. The search feature is a powerful addition. I can type a query into the search box in the sidebar. If it matches an entry, I am redirected to that entry page. But if the query doesn't match an entry, I am taken to a search result page. Here I searched for YTHO. You can see it displays all entries containing YTHO. I have also implemented the Create New Page feature. Clicking it takes me to a page where I can create a new encyclopedia entry. I can enter a title and Markdown content. Let's create a new entry. On each entry page, I can click Edit to modify the Markdown content. The text area is pre-populated with the existing content. Here I am making a simple edit to the entry Shamim. And for a fun feature, I can click random page in the sidebar, which takes me to a random encyclopedia entry. One more important aspect is a Markdown to HTML conversion. As you can see, the content is displayed in HTML format. That concludes our quick tour of my CS50 web project. I have successfully implemented all the required elements as per the project's specification. I hope you enjoyed the demonstration. Thank you for watching and feel free to explore my channel's other videos. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content.